Hello, my name is Cade Wallace. We're at St. George Island in Florida, and we're going to be open this illusion pack, 20 cards per pack, and let's do it. Let's get on this and make this feel good. I just feel kind of something good in here. Like, I just feel the taste in here. Something good. So I have 228 well.
That's a good card.
Right here. Okay. Oh, I have myself an Alvin Kamara. I might put him in a case. Leave him right there. I got a Trevor Lawrence. You know what? I think he's really good because he's, and a rookie card. So this is going to be good because he's going to be really good next year. You should put him in the case.
Yeah, we're going to case him.
I got myself a Cam Akers. I'm rocking this. Ooh. I got a, who is it? Elijah Moore. Okay. I got a Sean Taylor. He's good. I got a Nico Collins. Okay.
All right.
I got a Dak Prescott. He's pretty good. I got a Justin Jefferson.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
And I got clear shot Charles Woodson.
See it?
I think I already
Show
have
it to
it.
me.
Whoa, that's a good card. You should probably.
Hold it up.
All right, let's put him in a case.
And I got for Denver Broncos, Kirtland Sutton.
We have, hold up, let's see what that is. It is a Cortland Sutton.
Cortland Sutton.
And a rookie card for the Vikings, Kellen
Mond. Yeah.
I think he's a backup. Yeah. I got a Tom Brady.
Ooh, let's case him.
Yeah, let's case a Tom Brady. And I got a Michael Carter. He's pretty good. I got a Tim Tebow. Can't really pronounce his name. And I got for the Ravens a rookie card of
Rashad Bateman.
Should we put him in a case?
Want to?
I don't know. For the Raiders, I have a Derek Carr, quarterback. Pretty good. And I got a Chuba Hubbard, running back for the Jaguars, rookie card. For the Panthers, I mean. And I got Joe Burrow, quarterback. Whoa, that's a good one.
That's a nice one. You want to case it?
And his number is 40. And I got, okay, and who is this from? Rookie card.
That is Kenneth
Gainwell, rookie card right there. And I'll show you all these good cards right here. So I got this guy right here. And I got a Tom.
Hold up slowly.
Okay, so guys, I have this guy. I got Tom Brady. Haiti. I got Rashawn Bateman. I have Joe Burrow. I have Alvin Kamara. And I got Trevor Lawrence.
Oh, that's cool.
And okay, so make sure to subscribe and send me some comments and down below.